Hi, welcome to healthy recipe called banana oat smoothie. It is very easy prepare recipe. It's easier for people who exercise to lose weight or simply to increase muscle mass. Ingredients: 1 cup oats, half a cup low-fat plain yogurt, 1 banana, half cup fat-free milk, serve immediately. Enjoy.